to my YouTube channel. My name is Jenny and I am Ask Jenny. What do you want? All you need to do is Ask Jenny. Go to my YouTube page, Ask Jenny, send a message to me and I will help you. Simple solution to life. That is what I give to you. Simple solutions to life. Ask Jenny. When you need any assistance, all you need to do is click on my button, send a message, Ask Jenny. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for more solutions, simple solutions to life. Subscribe to my YouTube channel for simple solutions to life. Okay, there are two things I will need to show you. Two things you need to do. If you need help, you need money, you want to get money from someone, you want to ask assistance from someone, all you need to do is two things. So keep on. Please subscribe to my channel, share these videos to your friends and your families, those that will be benefiting. Okay, so they are not artificial, they are not native, it's natural thing. We all use bay leaf to cook. You use bay leaf to cook jollof rice. I do use it to cook jollof rice, but these are natural herbs you can use to solve some little issues. These are natural herbs you can use to solve problems, I'm telling you. So what you need to do is to take this bay leaf, write down the amount of money you want at the back and the front of the bay leaf. I will show you how I did mine. Okay, keep watching. All you need to do is when you take this bay leaf, okay, look at the bay leaf here, you write down the amount of money you need on this bay leaf. Put it down on the front and put it at the back. Write it with faith, because whatever you are doing in life without faith, you cannot get anything. You cannot watch this video and say you don't believe in what I'm saying and you want to practice it. It's not going to work for you. Believe it, practice it, and it will come to manifestation. All you need to do is to believe that you are going to get it. Whatever amount of money your heart gives you, your mind, your spirit tells you to write on this bay leaf, write it. Write it on the bay leaf. And what you need to do again is to turn the back, write the same amount at the back of the bay leaf. You write, I want so amount of money to be paid into my account. Then you turn the back of the bay leaf, you write let me say, for example, you want $20,000. Okay, you come to the back of the bay leaf, you write $20,000 at the back of it. When you go to the back, to the front of the bay leaf, you write it. When you go to the back, you write it $20,000, $20,000. Write it at the back and the front of it. Pray with it. After praying, you can put it. If you have a phone that has you can put it at the back of this phone, cover it there. At the back of this phone, cover it there. I'm telling you, cover it there and leave it there. Every day you bring it out from the back of the phone, you pray with it. God, I want this money to be paid in my account. You cannot tell how this money is going to come, but it's going to come. I have tried it and it has worked for me. Try it. Don't be scared about putting the amount of money you want. It is only your faith that can do it for you. Put the amount of money you want at the front and the back of this bay leaf. Put it at the back of your phone. Cover it there. Or you can put it under your pillow. You can keep it under your pillow and keep it there. Every day you pray with it. You can do it. You can pray with it for 5 days, 3 days. You can keep praying with it. Maybe within a short period of time, you will see that money. Somebody will just call you. Somebody can favor you. Somebody can give you a business connection. Somebody can give you a contract. Somebody that you don't even know will be connected to you. So I have tried this. I have prayed with it and it worked for me. Another way you can do this is to put the amount of money you want. The second way you can do this is to put the amount of money you want. Write it at the front, at the back, then burn it. Pray on it. As you are burning it, you burn it. say this money, $20,000, $20,000, and I pray as I burn this bay leaf, may wealth, may this money come to me, contract, connection, favor from every corner. May they begin to locate me. You know how you pray? Just pray as the smoke is going up, is spread into the universe. When you do this, you will come back to thank me. It is very simple. You can get bay leaf in any stores. Just all you need is the bay leaf, and you can also put this bay leaf, after writing the amount of money you want, you take this bay leaf, put it in the money, wrap it like this, put it like this, and put under your pillow where you sleep. Carry your pillow up, put it under your pillow, or you remove the back of your phone and just put it like that. Just don't bother, don't stress yourself about it. Don't think of how this money is going to come to you. It will definitely come. It will definitely come. I tried this with faith the first time, it worked for me. Once you request from people, even when you don't request, people will be calling your phone. People will be favoring you. Anywhere you go, you get attracted to money. I'm telling you, do it and you will come to thank me. So this is what I'll be sharing with you, a lot of simple solutions to life. I'll be sharing with you on this YouTube channel. I have given a lot of people this simple solution and they've received a lot of gifts, favor, money, lots of results, and somebody have even sent me something because of this video. I sent something like this to her. She watched it and she came back and told me that the amount of money she wrote on her bay leaf, she was so surprised that somebody that she has already forgotten for a long time called her and asked her to send her account to her. So with this little simple solution, you're going to get a lot of favor from it. So click on my YouTube channel, go to the subscription button there, click on subscribe. It is free. It is free because I'll be giving a lot of simple solutions to life on this YouTube channel. Ask Jenny, subscribe, press the like button if you know you love this video. Like the video and press the notification bell for more videos, because you will be seeing more videos like this and you will never beg for money again. You will never beg for money again. I will give you a lot of simple solutions that will attract wealth to you. Okay, thank you for watching to the end of this video. If you are still here watching this video, favor will be with you, favor will locate you, money will be your own. Anywhere you go, people will favor you. Thank you so much for watching this video. Okay, please share this video and see you on my next video. Bye bye.